Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about vanilla Visa debit gift cards. And more specifically, we're going to try to answer the question how to add your name into your vanilla Visa debit gift card onto the account. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really short video, really not a lot of information to go into on this, but I've been getting this question quite a bit. So a lot of folks have been emailing me asking me how to add their name into the vanilla Visa debit gift card, not necessarily on the physical card itself, but into the account. Why would you want to do that? Well, that's pretty easy because when you use these cards online, let's say if you're buying something from Nike or you're buying something from some other online retailer, they ask you for your name that is listed on the credit card or debit card or Visa debit gift card that you're going to be using. So what name are you going to put in here? Well, the short answer is you don't really need to change your name on here. And in order to purchase something online, you do need to put your name as the account holder, but it's not anything that they're actually going to verify. So even if you wanted to add your name into your account, there is no option for that for your vanilla Visa debit gift card. There's only a few pieces of information that you can upload to be attached to your account. One is going to be your zip code, and the second is going to be a PIN number. So let me show you where you can find that information. First, what you want to do is go to this website right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But you can also go to the back of your vanilla Visa debit gift card. It's kind of hard to see, but their website is listed back there. As you can see, it's vanillagift.com. So I've already pulled it up right here. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on this check your balance portion right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then you'll want to go ahead and put in your card information number, expiration date, and security code. I'm going to click there now. Okay, so I entered all the information in. I'm going to click sign in. Okay, so once you're here, this is your account home screen. You can click on this line right here, balance and transactions. All right, and then this pop-up happens. So you can only assign a zip code, manage your PIN, or replace card. So as you can see, there is no option to add a name or attach a name to your vanilla Visa debit gift card. So let me let you know that when you are buying something online, go ahead and just use your name, because it is possible that they're going to use that as your shipping name as well. But it's not anything that they're going to verify when you authorize the transaction. The main thing that they're going to search for is going to be the zip code and then the card number and expiration date. The name, I'm not sure exactly why online retailers ask for that, but again, it's not anything that the computer normally checks for. If you know a situation that they do check the name on the card, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. So hopefully that answers your question, how to add your name into your vanilla Visa debit gift card. You don't really need to. Actually, you can't. There is no option to add your name there, but it shouldn't really matter. Go ahead and just continue the transaction. Whatever you're trying to buy online, just use your name or whatever name that you want to put in there, a company name, and it's not anything that they're going to verify with vanilla Visa debit gift card typically. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.